If your hair hurts when you comb it, if it snaps, and if it feels like you're losing too much hair if you washed it, you are probably doing this one step wrong. Hi, my name is Gentle and I've been studying how relaxed and natural hair behaves when it's dry and under stress, especially during detangling. Apart from using the wrong comb for your curl pattern, when you're combing your hair and you start from the roots attempting to comb out your hair, what you're doing is you're creating tension all the way down the hair strand. And so your hair ends up breaking because it's under stress, not because it's actually weak. When hair is wet or coated in conditioner, it's more elastic, but it's more vulnerable also. So if there's a knot at the end of the hair and you pull it off from the roots, that knot tightens, and the only way for it to open is for it to break. The correct way to do it is to work with a small section of hair at a time, starting from the ends and work your way up slowly. You will notice that when you do this, you have very little breakage or no breakage at all. Many times we think we need a stronger product, a more expensive hair treatment, but sometimes it's just a technique we're using. So I've zoomed it here for you guys to see up close what I mean. So in this video, I just wanted to show you guys how to best tangle your hair without breaking it. We're going to talk about using the right kind of sleep and products in another video, but I'm curious to know, how do you detangle your hair? Do you use the same method, or is there a different method you use, a special kind of product that you put in your hair?